time before the video starts. It is a little spooky. Just warning you, don't mind the Rambo voice. I'm just too tired to record a live action clip anyway. Enjoy.
I didn't know I could do that. Hello there, this is Jovel, and today we're playing Egg Fried Rice. Why is this? I didn't know I could do that scream. I know it sounds like my voice is high pitched, but I cannot scream like that usually. I can't scream like that normally. That just came out of nowhere. The autism is kicking in. And also, I just got home from a vacation, a tiny one. I got home. I just came home, and I'm sitting in my chair backwards, booting on my PC. It also is a bucket hat. I may not be wearing that in the intro segment. You can flame me in the comments for not knowing, cause I got my old hat back. Should I? Nah. I am far too hungry. I'm never gonna go back to sleep. I better get something to eat. Oh yeah, this is just like make ramen at night at like 3 in the morning. I forgot what the game was called. I'm pretty sure it was made by the same empty. Damn. Bread expired. No coffee. We've only got like a few bottles of water. We got expired. We have water. Cereal, no milk. Jesus Christ, like can opener's broken. Water, we have all water. Bread is expired. Soap empty. Like no, I'm not. Oh yeah, I'm not turning that on. Chinese takeaway? That could be tasty. This sounds so good. It's light though. I shouldn't have much. I'll just get some egg fried rice. Darn, they don't deliver. It's only a short drive into town. I'll just go to the person and just go in for an in-person order. I bet like they'd be open this late. Do you not go to like 24-hour Chinese places? They exist. I know, cause I've been to one. I was hungry at 3 in the morning. Judge me. Yes. Oh, I have to drive? Time to go to town. Oh, that... Yeah. Sorry if I sound weird. I'm really tired. I'm gonna sound a bit different in this video. My words are gonna be slurred, like different. I'm gonna talk with a little bit of a lisp. This is what I sound like whenever I'm tired but not in the mornings. And I'm gonna be also laughing at things that I shouldn't be laughing at. I'm just EP maxing or whatever. I really suck at this driving game. I cannot see. Okay, I am going Waffleton. Cool. I am going to turn off my light and okay, turn on the light and turn on. What happened to the funny light? What? You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me, bro. Seriously, right now? You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me, bro. This has never broken before. Why are you breaking? Finally, bro. Finally. Have I been driving backwards? Sorry about that. The EP Maxing got to me. Oh, this thing just moves. I'm gonna turn on the TV. I do not feel right. Where's the freaking... Did I just get hit from behind? Pause. Okay, I'm gonna find the remote to my TV and then turn that thing on. Because it doesn't feel quite right without it on. Because if you didn't know, for all these recordings, I have the TV on in the background. Is it under the blanket? No. Is it? It's right there. Don't mind the pill sounds. I had to take meds. Do not mind the pill sounds. This is gonna be a nightmare to edit. Funny game. Go gadget game. I'm gonna turn down the television. I just like it on in the background. Okay, time to turn off the light on the TV and Chinese takeout. I love Chinese people. How do I get out the car? How do I get out the car? No, how do I get out the car? Okay. I hope my deli and grill. Where is the freaking Chinese place? Oh, there's the Chinese restaurant. I guess they couldn't be more forward with what it is. Hi, person. What can I get you? 1 egg fried rice. I love egg fried rice, but eggs isn't enough food for me because I'm a teenager that eats a lot and somehow maintains skinniness. I have a very high metabolism, okay? Whatever, but, so egg and chicken's what I go for, usually. But a good salad would be good. Oh no, you forgot money. I'll drive back home and get it. Is that okay? Yes, that's fine. Your food will take a few minutes. It should be ready by the time you get back. Do not take too long. Okay, bro. Please don't have my car be broken into. I thought the wires were gonna be cut. Careful, I'm a very bad driver. I might hit you. I think I was driving on the wrong side of the road earlier. Street laws. Do I have headlights? Yes, I have headlights. I should have turned on my headlights. I'm in driver's education. I'm about to start driver's ed, and like my brother told me that he's already got his permit, but he told me that whenever you're driving at night, it's gonna be really hard to see, so always have your lights on. Because he practices at night for some reason. You've gotta be kidding. I have to... riding on that TV. They just meat riding one of the characters. damage to pay off. I honestly really don't care. I want to go get my food. Find my money. Where's my dollar bills, y'all? Bathroom? Why would I put my money in the bathroom? Phone. Mother. Oh, police. Yeah, that's not. Is this my wallet? No. No. Would I put my money? Oh, that's the fridge. Did it say the... Please don't tell me it's in the... I was about to say, please don't tell me it's in the... I'm gonna call Mom. Hello? It's me. I can't sleep. Don't wake your father. Who puts their money in the bathroom? If it is in here, why would I put my money in the bathroom? I was about to say, I'm pretty weird. It's pretty silly. Torch. It will help me in the dark. Where did I put my wallet? Why is there a chair right there? The housing doesn't make sense. I don't own a house, but it doesn't seem like a good housing layout. I'm just saying. I have to find my money. Jesus. Oh, coins. Why do I own a coin purse? I mean, I own a wallet with a coin purse in it, but I do not own a wallet and a coin purse. It doesn't make quite sense. Doesn't make too much sense that I own a wallet and a coin purse, but whatever. I'm gonna drive on the right side of the road. Driving seems tiring. I have driven before. Oh, there's a person there. Epic. It's pretty skibbity of them. It seems like I was being followed, because that's how these games go. Because I am likely a woman. Or just a random grown dude. I am a random adult man in this game. I'm a teenage man in real life, but I'm a teenage male, if you couldn't tell. Hey, I got a favor asking, Lol. I need pennies for the bus. Okay, friends help each other out, right? I go spare. You're my hero. I'm gonna write a song about your friend. Just heads up, there's some creepy dude running after your car. He gave me some weird vibes, you know? Keep your eyes peeled. Okay, but if you couldn't tell, because I have a high-pitched voice. If you couldn't tell, since I have a high-pitched voice, is something wrong? Of course not. I'm back with the money. What do you mean? Payment for your egg. Did your friend not tell you? He paid for your egg rice. My friend? Yes! He came in there with you. He paid it. He paid for your egg rice. He's no friend of mine. You let him take my food? Well, yes. He told me. Oh dear. I'm sorry. About a lockup. I should have called the police. Let that man take my food. Just a loser. Where do I pick it up? Looks delicious. I'm gonna go home. No, I'm gonna hit the fool with a car. Is Rainbow Guy still here? Hi, Purple Guy. I can't believe the bus runs so late. I'm gonna drive this way because I don't want to go. I want to get myself killed. I'm gonna drive backwards. Yippee! I'm gonna drive backwards because I'm gonna kill myself. I'm joking. I'm joking. God. Oh, I wanted to go down the funny way. Okay, I'm gonna check out my earbud. I'm getting very sleepy. You see, this is what it's like to be a dude, because you never get enough sleep. And you just keep on sleeping more and more and more, and then you lose more and more time, and you get depressed about it, and you can't tell anyone about it. Sorry, I'm going a bit crazy, but you can just... Oh. I don't want to get out. Is that egg rice? I'm creep out. Ouch. Honestly, I wouldn't care. I'd just keep on going. I'd just keep on going. Wait, why am I going slow? That door. Please don't be a broken-in window. Please don't have a broken-in window. Broken window. Please don't have a broken window. Yeah, I'm keeping all the lights on. It's your Chinese takeaway. I'm not. Yeah, I am. But should I? I'm gonna eat the rice. Phone call, the police. I'm calling the cops. Because I'm smart. What is your emergency? Somebody with threw at my car. Excuse me? Egg fried rice. At my car. No. They smashed up my car. I could have been killed. I don't know what is that yen? The emergency line carries an 100, whatever that is, fine. It's like a $1 fine in US money. That's yen. Or pound, or whatever that is. Damn it. Cops were no good. I'm not that stupid. Wait, I heard something. Yes, I heard something. You slept safely, but at what cost? After finishing your egg rice, you went to bed, and as soon as your head hit the pillow, you fell into a deep, peaceful sleep. However, the next morning you woke up feeling haunted by your decision to turn down a free drink, fortune cookie, due to the little fear and uneasiness of the memory it is seemingly poor choice caused. It's kind of weird because I do smell egg rice right now. Unease. The memory of the seemingly poor choice caused you to live the rest of your life with unshakable sensation of hollowness and mental hang-up. Ruining an otherwise nice meal meant it could never again fully be enjoyed by the delicious taste. Anyway, speed bonus option now available. Enabled your running driving speed increased. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching, and Jeffel out. Bye-bye!